This is the AI News Flash for August 11th, 3 p.m. UTC. First up, River AI, the startup founded by XAI co-founder Igor Babushkin, has raised $1.1 billion. The round was led by General Catalyst and AMP Public Benefit Corporation, with strategic investments from NVIDIA and AMD Ventures. Y Combinator and Singapore's Temasek also participated. River AI declined to comment on the valuation. The company builds tools that let enterprises create personalized AI models from their own data. Its API is designed to run complex reinforcement learning training, runs in 15 to 20 minutes, without requiring a dedicated infrastructure team. What stands out is that NVIDIA and AMD, direct rivals in AI silicon, both appear in the same round. Babushkin's next move had been closely watched since he left XAI, and he is betting not on frontier general models, but on custom model building for individual companies. Second, IBM and Together AI have signed a $240 million multi-year agreement to build a large-scale cluster for open-source AI inference on IBM Cloud. The deployment uses NVIDIA HGX B300 systems with Spectrum-X Ethernet networking. It is the first dedicated large-scale inference cluster on IBM Cloud, and NVIDIA says it is built to deliver 30 times more AI factory output than the prior generation. Availability is expected in the first quarter of 2027. Together AI, based in San Francisco, runs a platform that lets companies train and serve open models such as DeepSeek, Minimax, and Kimi at lower cost than closed systems. The company reports serving 400 trillion tokens per month. The driver here is cost pressure plus enterprise concern over cybersecurity incidents involving closed models. As companies shift weight toward open models, IBM is positioning itself on the inference infrastructure layer of that shift. Third, Spotify is introducing a new label called AI Persona for artist profiles that represent AI-generated identities. Starting today, August 11th, artists can declare through Spotify for Artists that their profile is an AI persona. Listeners will begin seeing the badges on profiles in mid-September. Critically, Spotify says it will not rely on self-disclosure alone. It will also review profiles and apply the label where the artist name and imagery appear to represent a photorealistic AI-generated identity. Accounts are notified when the tag is applied, and there is an appeals process for badges given in error. Music from profiles flagged as AI personas will be excluded by default from editorial, algorithmic, and personalized recommendations. Note that the badge describes the artist's public identity, not how the music was made. That information stays with separate features such as AI credits and song DNA. Fourth, security firm. A security has disclosed a vulnerability chain in the Zoom client, which the researchers named ZOOMSDAY. According to the team, they produced a working exploit in less than 24 hours, using fewer than 20 prompts against publicly available AI models. ZOOMSDAY enables zero-click remote code execution, meaning an attacker could compromise another Zoom participant's device with no user interaction at all. A security confirmed the attack against the Zoom client on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. The researchers said the barrier to producing this class of weapon has collapsed, and it will not come back. It is a concrete marker of sophisticated exploit development moving from long expert campaigns to short AI-assisted ones. Fifth, Maverick, working with Benchmark, has published its 2026 State of AI Cost Governance Report. 25% of organizations, 1 in 4, delayed or canceled an AI initiative because of unexpected costs. 62% said unexpected AI costs materially altered a business decision. Among those affected, 40% required board-level escalation, and 33% imposed emergency spending freezes. 43% named token costs as a top source of unexpected AI spending. 98% of engineering organizations use AI coding assistants, yet only 42% include developer AI tool spending in their cost reporting. Just 11% can forecast AI spending within plus or minus 10%, down from 15% in 2025. Maverick Chief Executive Sandeep Goel said there is simply no way to run a budget when there are no controls at all on who can spend money on what. That's all for this AI News Flash.